So I have begun now a little bit with this one, and I have been polishing it as much as I can, and I think clearly we have some results from this one. Pretty happy with the results, and as you can see, this has knocked up some pretty heavy dirt. I actually also have all of this, so I have been working a little bit with this. The chain of this I bought separately. I was thinking to use it in this watch, and I'm going to give this watch a service. And this is the beginning of the service. I began a little bit with the case, so let's continue with this one. Hello world, and welcome to this new video showing you this wonderful pocket watch. I began cleaning and polishing a little bit because it was really black. So now it's actually looking really good, and we will take a look on this one. My experience with pocket watches are I managed to clean some, but I never actually managed 100% to repair them. And one of my old 3 crowns watch, which is actually being sold, I'm selling all of those parts now. I had some issues with that one, maybe the balance, I'm not sure. I cleaned it, it didn't perform well, and I decided to let go of that watch, and I will invest in another watch, which I will show you later on. But for now, let's take a look on this one. Yeah. So the dial seems to be fine. When I wind the watch, you can't wind it anything longer. Yeah, obviously you could. So we'll take a look on this one. Maybe if there is a stop. Yeah, there's a stop here. That means that probably some dirt in the train or something is not working with the train, so it can't deliver the power and it's just stuck. This I prefer when they comes like this to the workshop, because that means I can fix this one. I will not take anything for granted with watches, because I have seen so many things now. But I hope, because it looks really nice. And at the side here we have a wonderful chain which I purchased before, and I really like it. It's pure silver. So we'll take a look on this one now, and in this one you can actually open it here. There's a little so you just use your knife and go like that, and here we have some information. Fides, I'm not sure exactly what that means, but this is silver. This is not silver plated. This is quite a lot of silver. You can see that on the stamp. You can see it there, 0.800, so it's pure silver almost, I would say. Yeah, almost like these ones. This one is, for example, let me show you the stamps for sterling silver 925. So that's interesting. Let's take a look here. When I polished this one, it looked much better, and of course I can polish this one a little bit more here on the inside also. Maybe it's dirt also. Take a look here. Yeah, it's actually dirt. I will remove it now at once and remove this wonderful chain before it gets all dirty here. I just want to remove some of this dirt before I open it. Anyways, I will clean it and all of that. But so I have some pegwood ready here. Yeah, it's really dirty. And then you can use some blower here just to be sure nothing more enters. Clean your desk, and let's open this one. So it's the same opening here. You just enter your knife like that, and here we have it. Here we have caliber 477 Déposé. We'll try to find more information about this pocket watch. I think I did some research before, and I did find something about 1915. So probably then it's 116 years old, this one. So that's quite a lot. A first look of the movement, you can see that it looks pretty good. No scratches and stuff like that, so this is good. And the balance, from the first look, I can see that the hairspring seems normal. So we will take a look on this one and give this the service, a proper service. Oh, some of the dirt actually came on this one now. So better just move it a little bit further away from the work area. Yeah, let's continue. So now I will open the front. I remember that it's probably that way. As I told you, I'm not familiar with. I want to open this here. We have to be very careful now, because here is the dial, and you can see we have some screws here for the dial. Take a look also. What you probably would like to try in this one is releasing that one and that one. So probably it will go off on the other side. But we have to be very careful now. Actually, we'll place that one there in case. Let's take a look. Maybe just. Interesting. Oh yeah, it's one is now released, and the second one as well. And of course it's almost headed for the balance, and now it came in there also. Anyway, it doesn't work properly, so we will just carefully just, this is me trying to do something good here. Those. What I remember, can feel a little bit here. just these two screws. And of course the stem, that's the last one, holding this one. So that one was quite stuck. We have to be careful with the tile. I will hold it like this for now. Still, if you can feel it's a little bit too so let's see now. Still nothing. I think I did try with this one before, but I'm quite sure this is holding the stem. Or am I wrong? Yeah, no, it's definitely out now. I think I actually, sometimes if you do too much on that, then things will fly away on the other side. So the stem is now out. So yeah, you can see on that side that part is probably out there. We'll take a look on this one. So I just continue a little bit with this one and trying to remove some dirt on the case. I am using pegwood and I have just sharpened this one. I have been able to remove some of this, I think. You can see this, not everything, maybe could be also, I don't know. It's not rust, or is it actually destroyed there? Might be destroyed there, so we will leave it like that. I have been here also removing. Don't actually know the best way how to clean this one. If I would place it in the ultrasonic cleaner, but then this plastic glass needs to be removed then. The glass seems okay. I will fix that one too. Yeah, I have been trying to do a little bit like this also. You can see a lot of embedded dirt. The embedded dirt will not go away in the watch cleaning machine. There's some stamp there. Maybe not. Well, I better continue. It's a little bit too dirty around here now. So I have placed some dial protector here. Really, and take one at a time, or the two. Take a look here. Not this. super careful because the dial might actually crack. I have worked once with a dial that actually when I placed it back it cracked in the beginning. It wasn't as this one, but actually I don't know. I will double check this. I don't think I can use anyone else for this. Take one at a time. Or else I'm too careful with those. Yeah, there you go. I hope by God I did not damage anything. And we will continue with the subdial now. Or we will continue with this one. There you go. Oh, the dial. Woo. Oy, 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 oy. I think I don't have a nice grasp on this one. Just carefully, just like that, without not so much force, right? Just like that. Okay. So let's continue here. Removing the dial screws, and actually now I'm using how much, 140 for this, maybe 120 is fine. Let's take a look. Oh, you have to be careful with this type of dial. They're like porcelain, I think, or something else. But super careful. Ah, those dials makes me nervous, and I began to shake, as you've seen in my previous videos. Okay, the dial washer and the hole is removed. Some old oil. We'll observe a little bit now. of the yolk and keyless work, and take a note a little bit of the details here. Remove the minute wheel. Okay, this is a similar approach as the 3 crowns, which has this one. This could, yeah, it's actually the yolk holding. No, this is part of the yolk, and this is the Yolk Spring. And you can see a little bit here also. It has been, now it's out of function here. I wanted to close that one. Holding this one like that. Let's make a little test. Yeah, I wanted that to be closed by now, just so we can see how it is connected here. You can see here, yeah, it's that one. But we will leave that for now. We have this all fitted. Really beautiful movement. I love it. I'm not familiar with this, but I love it. This is great. And advisably, you don't need to use metal in this. You can scratch it. So bring your best brass tweezer, or maybe some other one which you have when you work with this, so you keep it perfect. Okay, I know what you think, but an amateur, he don't have a pocket watch movement holder. No, I don't. Actually, I do not have that, so I will just try to use this one a little bit. Yeah, I will also, I would like to remove this one now. Let's take a look. I have changed, so really, it is so dirty around here. It's a chaos. I really just try to remove the parts, and then I will clean this as soon as possible. I will add them. Whoa, where are you going? Yeah, but it's really funny. Some people actually did comment some of my videos. What an amateur's way of handling, blah blah blah, you know. Well, I am an amateur. I am studying. I'm not a professional. I'm trying to, as best as I can, making the videos and all of that. So now we're removing the balance. Once I remove the balance, and it actually got very stuck. It was really difficult. But hey, you're learning every day. Either you're learning here with me, or you're watching other videos as I do. So together we can learn pretty much in this world, and I think no one is perfect really. We all are beginners somewhere. So this is a critical stage of removing the balance of this pocket watch. Okay. Oh, holy smokes. And look how I place it now on the bench, upside down. That is how one of my friends taught me. That is how I used to place it. Here we have. I didn't release the power in this one. Actually, you can see something here. Check the escape wheel. Yeah. It's supposed to be more quicker than that. I have to release the power. What I'm doing here. You see the heat is affecting me. So I have to I don't know if it's inside or not. To be inside, but it probably isn't. Yeah, it is inside. My bad. Okay, so releasing the power of this. I will invest in a pocket watch. I mean, a serious one. This is not looking good. Sorry. Okay, so we have this. I recently got this, is wonderful. So it's brass, so I will just release the power now. It's probably better to use pegwood, but let's try this. Ooh, this is good. The mainspring is working good. So there you go. With that one off, we can actually remove the parts now. We will remove the barrel bridge. Nice. And this one. Okay. Wow, that's how I Okay. I did also other mistakes before with watches like this. I don't want to make mistakes like that again, but be careful now. Let's take a look with this one first. 280, I think. Let's see which direction in this one. Yeah, it's a normal anti-clockwise. I think in the 3 crowns it was clockwise in both, if I'm not wrong. will now release the ratchet wheel. Interesting with the click spring. I can see probably it's in there. Okay, so this the crown wheel. I think you have to remove it clockwise. Am I right or wrong? I am right. It's like that. It's good to know. In most watches, it can be like that. But in some Certina watch, when it's a small wheel and you have 2 screws, then it's actually not. You can see in some of my videos if you don't believe me. So I don't want to remove this one. I will leave it there. We will see if it works or not. Yeah, it is possible. We will leave it that. We don't want the problem of the click spring getting lost, and yeah, you know. Yeah, okay, I will place it there, and okay, the barrel is now released. Okay, here we have to take a look on this setup. Okay, I didn't see that one before. Okay. We'll leave it like that. So now we will continue with the train bridge. Actually, I think since the train bridge is released, there is something I would like to take before that. And can you guess what that is? The cannon pinion. Because or else it will be stuck there. I don't want that. So now it is actually off there. So we will just be super careful here and take a look on these ones. Really, I'm sorry for the look of this, but we didn't have anything else. But now it can actually rest in the... No, I cannot rest. This one is okay. The power there, you have to use quite a lot of power and secure grip and make sure it doesn't slip, because if it slips you will scratch and you will destroy the screw, and it's not so funny. Where will you find suitable screws for a watch with 100, how old was it? 116 years old? No, it's... you don't need more work. If I'm unlucky, it's something with the balance, and then it needs adjustment or something which I can't fix at the moment, or maybe I can fix it. So please now use a screwdriver or pegwood to release the train. The center wheel is following in here. Wow. Okay. Oh, this is super dirty. Smokes. Okay. So, center wheel, or as you know, the gray wheel there. Third wheel, fourth wheel, escape wheel, pedal fork bridge. What's going on now then? Okay. Releasing third wheel. Third wheel is this one. Fourth wheel that one. Escape wheel. Okay. Good. If I'm wrong, please let me know. But that's what I know. Oh, I got this escape wheel of this. It looks good. The top pinion and the other pinion. The two pinions are fine. Oops. Yeah, okay. Can't see any slot for the... Yeah, it's there. It's a slot under there. It's actually... Oops. That could have been done better. Pallets, newels are okay. Pins fine. Okay. Now this assembly. This is the other side. This is quite interesting. So we will begin this side. Take notes on this part. Ooh. Nope. Oi, oi, oi. Okay. So removing this windy stem and windy pinion, sliding pinion. Interesting, it probably went to the hole in the opposite side. Okay. Open released. We will now continue here. This is the moment of truth. What? Oh, sorry. The moment of being a little bit lost also, because you have to remove this one too. I didn't see that one. Almost. Setup. Interesting setup. No, changing screw. Don't want to. This wants to be mixed up. Please always take note on the yoke how it's connected. I think we can leave them there now. Don't need to remove them. The wash will be harmful there, I think. Ah, this is the AC. I did see something about that one. This one is bigger and this one is smaller. It's good to see those details. Ah, look at that, look at that. Very interesting, very interesting. And this will be the last one. It has two. I wonder. It was pretty stuck. For that reason I decided to remove them also. It's best if you really need a perfect clean, then you need to do this. So I don't have so many places left now in my tray here. But yeah, this is okay. How will I remember to place this again? Advanced, and really beautiful movement. I will clean this. Thank you so much for watching this disassembly video. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something new, because I have take care of their world. Thank you for supporting me. God bless.